Hello everyone to the tutorial series of Tabschool's school management on school ERP system. The tutorial is to how you work with Tabschool's ERP system and how you manage everything. So one of the most highest demand, another highest demand is how to manage an online admission. Yes, this is very concerning and pressing matter as of today because this is the admission time, right? And everybody wants to manage their admissions online. So again, very easy. Once you've logged in, you have an admission module. So there are two ways to create the admission. One is where you as an admin create an admission, like we did create an admission in our second video where we added students from the backend, right? So we added students from the backend, and we could see those students once they have been admitted, right? The second one is an online admission. So online admission means that this particular form is available on the website or on the front end. Now, how would you access your front end? So the difference between create admission is where you as an admin or you as a front desk manager is adding all this information and creating username and password, right? The second one is the where an online admission is happening, where the parent is coming onto the website, your school's website, and filling out the form. So how would you do that? In that, if you don't know, there is something called a website which comes with the ERP, which is in the front end. This is one, and this here you see there is an what you call a menu which says online admission. Now how would you access that? Now I'm opening up a new what you call window, and here I'm going to click ERP slash my school's website, which is New Age International. So if you don't know about it, and if you have somewhere down come in touch with our customer executives, they would have told you, okay, this is the your site URL, you can access directly and things like that. So on this particular website, you would see there is something called online admission. So when you click on online admission, you have new admission, you have the classes, you have the section. Obviously you have to select the class first. So you have the admission date, you have the category, you have everything which is here open, and the parent can fill out themselves. So whenever they fill out something and it shows up at the back end in the admission section of this. So this is how you do the online admission at the back end. So if you let's work first and see how we can create all this, and how can it looks at the back end at the somebody who is admin, how they will see it, right? So let's fill out few details. So I have added some details in this form from the front end, and now let's see how does it see from the back end. So once parent clicks submits, it will take some time to process, and it will, sorry, I was already logged in, that's why it brought me here. I'll just log out, and there you go, it will send an email. Now we'll see how it sees the back end. Okay, now there you go. See, now this is what we added, and we've got the admission. You can download the documents, you can approve them, you can decline the admission, and the status is applied, the payment is unpaid. So this is all how you basically manage online admission. Another one of the things that many of our customers ask is, how can we import bulk students? We are coming from a different software and we want to we have the data in Excel or maybe a CSV format, and how should we go ahead? So it's very simple. You go click on multiple import, you download the sample file which is there, and I'm just going to click on here. So yeah, so this is the one. So it says you fill out the fields like first name, last name, birth group, gender, mother name, mother tongue, all the details that are there in a CSV file, which is a CSV file. And once it is filled, you have to fill it according to the class. Like you have to select a class, select a section, and then upload. So you have to fill it according to class and section and everything, otherwise it will become little messy. So we have written the instructions here as well, which says download the first sample file, then open the download CSV carefully and fill it out with the students. Then there is birthday, admission, everything that we have mentioned here very clearly as to what you have to do in order to bulk upload. We have discussed category as well. Category is like where the student is in which category. So there are various categories. There is general, and nowadays we have in India there's something called EVS category as well: general, sports, SCST, army, maybe you know you want to keep this disabled or peoples with special need, students with special needs. So whatever you want to keep, you can keep a category and it will come on your admission form during the create admission and online admission. So this is how the admission works on the Tabschool ERP system. It's very simple, it's very plain. So that's there, and I think that's it for this tutorial, and in next tutorial we will look into other modules, so do tune back for it.